Precision and production capacity are the most critical requirements for customers. Many customers have strict project schedules. How does Haixing ensure stable performance and meet production capacity demands?
Previously, an overseas customer specifically requested tighter tolerance control for steel sheet dimensions. This is also a common requirement across the industry. Our equipment adopts high-strength alloy steel core components, offering advantages such as high precision and high operating speed. With robust materials and strict quality control, our performance far exceeds customer expectations. Whether customers serve mix or larger-scale projects requiring mass production, we can customize capacity solutions ranging from single machines to complete factory setups. Our monthly supply capacity exceeds 300 units. With a comprehensive quality inspection process, we ensure every machine is qualified before delivery, fully matching customers' production schedules.